What does it mean to take a moonshot? For us, it meant kayaking Lake Geneva, a lake that, to our knowledge, has never been kayaked before, and for a good reason.
It's gonna be a hard hike. Understatement of the year. A 1,300-foot elevation gain meant we fought for every inch.
So right over this hill is Lake Geneva, the destination and the goal for this journey.
It was the epitome of stoke. Once we recovered from the hike, we set up our tents, started a fire, and meanwhile, Shiloh dug in for the night, as we prepped the Oru for the morning. And settled in for the cold night.
Before we knew it, it was morning. The Oru prepped for its maiden voyage. Ian was ready to achieve a world's first.
It's funny how just being a couple feet out on the water makes it look completely different.
While we may not be the next Neil Armstrong, in our own way, we landed on the moon.